Topic 4, solve two-step equations. Okay, so we are still solving equations, something with an equal sign, but this time it's two-step equations. So let's take a look. We're going to put the line on the equal sign just to show there's two sides. Okay, so this time we're going to see where is our x. Our x is here. So the first thing we have to remove or delete, we have to delete this plus 4 first. Delete this number. So the opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 on both sides. Okay, so plus 4 and minus 4 we delete. We have 3x left equals 19 minus 4, 15. And now again, where is our x? Our x is here, but we have this 3 times. So to delete 3 times, we have to divide by 3. Divide by 3. Times 3 and divide 3, we cancel. We have the x. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so this is why it's called a two-step equation, because first we minus 4 and then we divide by 3. 2 steps. Question number 2. Let's do the same thing. The line on the equal sign. Where is our x? Our x is here. So we have to remove this minus 5 first. To delete this minus 5, plus 5. Plus 5 on both sides. Minus 5 and plus 5, we remove. We have 2x here. Equals, don't forget the equal sign. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Now this means 2 times x, we divide by 2, divide by 2. Times 2 and divide 2, we delete. X equals 20 divided by 2, 10. And again, we can check this answer is correct. X is 10, so if we do 2 times 10, 20, minus 5 equals 15. Question number 3. Put the line on the equal sign, so there's 2 sides. Where is our x? Our x is here, so we have to delete this plus 2 first. Minus 2, minus 2. So plus 2 and minus 2, remove. We have minus 4x equals 14 minus 2, 12. Okay, this means minus 4 times x, so we have to divide by minus 4. Divide by minus 4. Times minus 4, divide minus 4, we delete. We have this x here. 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. X equals minus 3. Question 4. Solve. So we have an equation here. It looks a bit different, but we are doing exactly the same thing. Okay, so the equal sign here, we put a line to show both sides. Now where is our x? Our x is here. What do we need to delete first? We need to delete this number first. Okay, so to delete plus 4, we minus 4, minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4, we cancel out. So we have this minus 1 over 3x. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, now where is our x? Our x is here. This means minus 1 over 3 times x. So the opposite is divide by minus 1 over 3. Divide by minus 1 over 3. Okay, times by minus 1 over 3 and divide by minus 1 over 3. We delete. We have x left. 6 divide by minus 1 over 3, minus 18. So x equals minus 18. Question 5. We have something different here. What equation is represented by the algebraic tiles below? Solve for a solution for x. So we are doing the same thing here, but it looks a bit different. So we have to write this as an equation first. So how many x's do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write 7x plus, we have 3 here, So plus 3 equals, how many numbers do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So equals 17. So we have just written this whole thing here as this equation. It's the same thing. So we put a line on the equals. Where's our x? We have 7x here. We have to remove this plus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. So plus 3 and minus 3 we delete. We have 7x. 17 minus 3 is 14. Now this means 7 times x. We have to divide by 7, divide by 7, times 7 and divide 7. Delete. We have x. 14 divided by 2 equals 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So x equals 2. Okay. Question number 6. It's a long worded question. A bike rental company charges 100 dirhams to rent a bike plus 9 dirhams for every hour the bike is rented. How much does it cost to rent a bike for 3 hours? Okay, so we're going to write an equation first. So the bike costs 100 dirhams to rent a bike. So we're going to write 100 plus 9 dirhams. So this is a plus 9 dirhams for every hour. Plus 9 dirhams for every hour. Do we know how many hours? Yes, the question says for 3 hours. So 9 dirhams times 3, because it's 9 dirhams for every hour. Every times how many hours? 3 hours. So 9 times 3. Okay, so this is our equation. 100 plus 9 times 3, or 100 plus 27 equals 127 dirhams. Okay. Question 7. The number of liters of water left in a swimming pool at the time t minutes can be modeled by W equals minus 7t plus 350. Okay, so now the question is asking find W if t equals 15 minutes. So I'm going to write this question again. W equals minus 7t plus 350. This is our question. Okay, same as this one here. Now it says t equals 15. So instead of t, I'm going to write 15. Remember, this means times t. So I'm going to write W equals minus 7 times 15, because t equals 15, plus 350. Okay, if we do this, minus 7 times 15 equals minus 105 plus 350. So W equals 245. W equals 245. Minus 105 plus 350, 245. Question number 8 is similar. The number of liters of water in a swimming pool at time t minutes can be modeled by W equals minus 70 plus 350. We have the same equation here. But now the question is asking find t if W equals 105. Okay, so I'm going to write the same question. This same question, I'm going to write it again. W equals minus 7t plus 350. Okay, now the question says W equals 105. So instead of W, I'm going to write 105 equals minus 7t plus 350. Now I'm going to solve this equation because we need to find t. Okay, so solving this equation, same as before, put a line on the equals. Where is our t? Our t is here, so we need to delete this 350 first. Minus 350 minus 350. Okay, plus 350 minus 350, delete, we have minus 7t. 105 minus 350 equals minus 245. Okay, so again we have to find t. This means minus 7 times t, so we have to divide by minus 7, divide by minus 7, times minus 7, divide by minus 7, we delete, we have t, minus 245 divided by minus 7 equals 35. Minus 245 divided by minus 7 equals 35. So t equals 35.